Oh, this is 50-50 boy and dad, and I just went to get the pizza with the Pizza Hut, and I see there's a new melty cheese crispy loaded, and there's a box, and there's inside there's a buffalo chicken. Hopefully they give me a buffalo chicken. I'm gonna review with these things with the loaded with the onion, buffalo chicken, and a cheese and a crunchy, and they got a ranch sauce. You see the ranch sauce here. Let me try it. Let's see. We're gonna open the sauce, ranch sauce, and we can dip it in. Wow, look at that. That's so loaded. That's so loaded, and that's crunchy. There's some like a lot of onion, and it's juicy. It's like dipping there. You guys see it? It's dipping there. Let me gonna dip it in with the sauce. I don't want to wait. Let's see. It's very good. There's a juicy, crunchy, like the side is crunchy. I think they deep fry it. And you can taste the onion and chicken and the buffalo sauce. It's very good. I think it's, I'm gonna say, 8 out of 10. I'm gonna review 8 out of 10. I want a more buffalo sauce for the taste. I don't see a lot of taste in the buffalo sauce. And you guys see it. Let me again see one more bite. That's very good. I think they're selling $6.99. It's very good. And okay, see you guys in the next video for the review. 50-50 boy and dad out.